And then I saw the substance. Demi Moore, frontal nudity ito, ha? Frontal nudity, yung isang pelikula. Ano, and then you have White Lotus that stars, one of the stars is Patrick Schwarzenegger, na meron din frontal nudity. Ito ang katanungan ko. Naisip ko lang ito ngayon. Because you're both really very attractive and very sexy. Tama ang konteksto, tama ang script, tama ang direktor. Lahat. Parang Lotus, parang Anora, parang, you know, substance. Would you do frontal nudity? Ikaw, Lian at saka Yasser.
As of now po, Tito Boy, I don't think na kaya ko pa yung frontal nudity. Even with the perfect script, perfect timeline, perfect everything, but I don't think kaya ko pa po talaga. Siguro there's something in me na hindi pa talaga ready physically din, pero let's see. Pero ngayon po, baka hindi pa.
I respect that. Ikaw, Yasser.
Ako naman, Tito Boy, gaya ng sabi mo, tama lahat. Ako yung mali? So, hindi. Kailangan tama din. Go ko na yan. Diba? Siyempre, yung mga ganyang opportunity dito sa industriya, ako, Tito Boy, parang sa tagal ko rin naman dito si GMA, parang wala pa naman ang tinanggihan eh. Go lang ako ng go. So,
Di ba?
Grabe naman.
Maraming salamat. I just wanted to get your thoughts about it.